Hi everyone, this is Andrea Smith. I'm a stress resilience coach, cognitive behavior therapist, and author of my first book, Fearless Live More. Today I'm going to discuss ways to improve employee retention and motivation. Now, why is employee retention important? Employee retention is important because of the cost savings. By replacing an employee, it's time consuming and costly. High turnover rates can add quickly. Keeping an employee on board saves the company time and money, and the training that you have to do, the recruitment, the onboarding. It improves productivity. Now, employees will be typically more productive as they're familiar with the company's procedures, the systems, they can focus on their work, they know the people there, and they don't have to learn new processes all the time. Now, increasing employee morale, an employee who feels valued and supported is more likely to be engaged and motivated, leading to increase in morale and job satisfaction. Now, if there is better customer service, is because retained employees often are better equipped. They know everything to provide high quality customer services, have a deep understanding of the company, the products, the services, the customers. And also, it's knowledge retention, isn't it? Retaining experienced employees helps to maintain a wealth of institutional knowledge and expertise, which can be leveraged to drive innovation and growth. Now, this improves the company reputation, like high retention rate is positive indicator for healthy workplace culture and can improve the company reputation as a good place to work, attracting new talent, building long-term successes. Now, fostering a positive work environment can really help. Is one of the ways you can create that supportive and inclusive workspace culture where employees feel valued, respected, have the opportunity for growth and development. You can provide competitive compensation and benefits, offering like competitive salaries, bonuses, health insurance, and other benefits to attract and retain top talent. You can also offer opportunities for professional development and encourage the employees to grow within the company, to learn through workshops, training, so they can move their career upwards. Recognize and reward employees for their achievements. Acknowledge and reward employees for their hard work and contributions and success. This will keep the employees staying within the business and not move them on. Listen to employee feedback. Actively seek and listen to feedback from employees to address any concerns about making changes to improve the workplace. Always encourage open communication and make clear that this feedback is valued and appreciated. Employee retention can be improved by gaining meaningful insights. What drives an employee to move on, to change their jobs? Now, here are a few ways that you can learn more about employee, how to retain employee and make sure they're more productive, like employee surveys. Conduct regular employee surveys to gather feedback of job satisfaction, workplace balance, other key factors that impact employee engagement. Exit interviews. I found in a previous job that when the employee learned why I had left and what were the issues within the employment, they then made those changes, and then the company was great to work with and a lot of people stayed on. I had left though. Performance evaluations, finding out what the employee needs to perform better, what are their strengths, what are the areas of concern, help them identify. Now, employee focus groups. I love these because hosting a focus group, that means that the employees will have the support within their peers to voice their opinions, have new ideas, provide the company with valuable insights of what the employees need to thrive. Data analytics tracks the employees' performance and satisfaction and engagement. By using these tools to gather these meaningful insights, companies can make informed decisions about improving employee retention, creating a supportive workplace, an engaging work environment that fosters employee satisfaction and success. Now, I have some unusual ways that you can improve employee retention, motivation, and wellness. So one of my ideas is a sweat and serenade workout. It combines exercise with music that's fun, energetic. Make sure that the team works together to boost their morale and motivation. Wind down Wednesdays. Encourage employees to unwind and socialize within a weekly wine tasting or happy hour event. Pet and animals, so allowing employees to bring pictures of their furry friends to work, to look at them, to share, what are the pet cuddle days, what they do, whether they go for walks. That's really important. Fun Friday, stand-up comedy show. So hire a stand-up comedian to perform for their employees, in lunch hour to promote laughter and relaxation. Escape room adventure. Have you guys heard of this? Organizing a team building activity where employees solve puzzles in an escape room to promote teamwork, creativity, by implementing these fun, quirky ideas for wellness, for motivation in initiatives. Companies can create a unique atmosphere, an enjoyable workplace that employees love to stay. It engages them, and then they don't want to leave. It helps them feel motivated, supported, fulfilled, and these then employees will be more productive. So thank you for listening. If you like any of my ideas, jump on a phone call, just DM me, and I look forward to talking to you. Bye for now.